Welcome to this video on managing cyber threat intelligence using a RAG model, Quadrant, and MetaLlamas 3. Using the text data collection that we made and the OTX API key, we will be able to access the pulses that we've subscribed to or that the authors that we subscribe to in the Alien Vault website. So first, we will be using the Pulse one so that we could format the CSV that we need using the text data collection. Once that happens, we will be able to receive a CSV that's been formatted correctly for the pulses. As you can see, it has the ID name, description, and many more um, data points. So one of them, which would be the most important one, would be the indicators, which would be formatted in a JSON format. This would also be extracted using the text data collection script so that we could extract the indicators, and this is how we will be able to have it have the ID of the indicators, the type, and the contents with many more data points. Once you finished collecting all the data, you will need to go to the OTX RAG script, which would embed all the data into a quadrant for you. Once you're able to go to a quadrant UI, you will see in the collection um, taskbar maybe multiple collections. So, for example, for us, we have exploits code, uh, malware bazaar, and OTX cyber threat intelligence, which is the one that we'll be dealing with today. So, after you're done embedding, you should see something along the lines of these. So you'll have the metadata, and then you'll have the page content. The page content will be determined by the content title and the description and also the name. Once you finish embedding to the quadrant, or you've already embedded to the quadrant and now you reopened it like I did, it doesn't matter. You could still also just type in Python 3, and after type in OTX rag, open the OTX rag and run it. And you just need to wait a little bit, but you'll be able to interact with Llama 3. So I'll go with prompt rag. User questions. So one question we could probably ask in an example question would be, what are the latest threat indicators for Shizuoka attacks? And what you see here are the context that it's taking it from. So this it just shows you. So based here's the response. So based on the on the provided data, the latest threat indicator for Shizuoka attacks are IP address. It gives you the port. It gives you the role, and it gives you the type, and also multiple other things. Um, it also explains us that the IP address and port are being used for multiple RDP intrusion attempts, and the threat indicators are related to a brute force attack. And here we have also the relevant context. So if you want to use a UI, and which we do also have that, if you go down to our descriptions, you will see videos regarding the RAG app and other RAGs that me and my team have created, and also the links to GitHubs and all the other necessary documents to help you through building the rags for yourself or for research purposes.